Composting directly inside a garden bed might sound complicated, but there is a very simple way to build a small, efficient composting system exactly where your plants are growing. Instead of moving compost back and forth from a separate bin, this method allows nutrients to be created and absorbed right in the soil. The result is healthier, more fertile ground with far less effort. The process starts with materials most gardeners already have at home: 2 sturdy containers or pots. These can be plastic buckets, old storage tubs, or even large bottles. The key requirement is that they are strong enough to hold compost for a long time and durable enough to stay intact when buried in soil. To assemble the system, the 2 containers are stacked vertically to form one tall unit. They need to be securely fastened so they don't separate underground. Small holes are made through the overlapping sides using a heated metal rod, and zip ties are threaded through and tightened firmly. This simple step locks the containers together, ensuring the structure remains stable during composting. Next, the bottoms of both containers are removed. This is an important step because it allows direct contact between the compost and the soil beneath. With no base blocking the way, nutrients, moisture, and beneficial microorganisms can move freely between the composting chamber and the surrounding garden bed. The lower container requires additional preparation. Several large holes are made in its sides, big enough for earthworms to pass through easily. Earthworms are essential partners in this system. They transport soil microbes into the compost, speeding up decomposition, and they carry nutrient-rich material back into the surrounding soil. This natural exchange creates a living, balanced system that improves soil structure and fertility over time. Once the composting unit is ready, the garden bed is prepared. A hole is dug large enough to fit the structure comfortably. Slightly moist soil, such as after rainfall, works best because it is easier to shape and pack firmly around the container. After placing the unit in the hole, soil is filled in around the sides and gently pressed down to secure it in position. When properly installed, the composting system becomes a seamless part of the garden bed. Filling the container follows a simple layering method. First, add a base layer of partially finished compost. On top of this, place kitchen scraps or garden waste such as chopped vegetable peels, fruit scraps, and dry leaves. Continue alternating between compost and fresh organic material until the container is nearly full. The final layer should be mulch. Mulch helps retain moisture, allows rainwater to enter, and prevents pests like mosquitoes from accessing the compost. This balanced layering ensures even decomposition and steady nutrient release into the surrounding soil. An alternative approach uses an old terracotta pot, even one that is slightly cracked. Terracotta is naturally porous, which allows air and moisture to pass through its walls. This keeps the compost well aerated and prevents excess water buildup. Most terracotta pots also have a drainage hole at the bottom, reducing the risk of anaerobic conditions. Installation is similar. Dig a hole, place the pot inside, and fill it using the same layering technique. Compost base, organic waste, compost layer, and mulch on top. Over time, nutrients and compost tea slowly seep through the pot's walls, feeding nearby plants directly. Both methods are flexible and scalable. Small containers can serve a single plant, while larger ones, or multiple units, can handle more kitchen and garden waste. The system requires minimal maintenance, occasional addition of organic matter, and simple monitoring of moisture levels. Earthworms and microbes handle most of the work naturally. By composting directly in the garden bed, you create a self-sustaining cycle of nutrient recycling. Organic waste is transformed into rich compost exactly where it is needed. This approach reduces waste, improves soil health, enhances water retention, and supports beneficial soil life. Using stacked containers or terracotta pots provides structure while still allowing natural soil interaction. In time, the garden bed becomes a living ecosystem where composting and plant growth function together seamlessly. With simple materials, low cost, and minimal effort, in-bed composting offers an effective and environmentally friendly solution for gardeners who want healthier soil and stronger plants.